12 students. And we have 2 volunteers and 2 existing teachers whose hard work and dedication is highly appreciated. And with your support and guidance, I hope Mihmyntdu village literacy rate will boost up and advance towards a more literate and sustainable society. School children, which was started in the year 2013 by late Madam Tina Lakyang, I would like to tell you that there is a lot of improvement in the literacy rate of the village. This year, the number of the out of school children is 70, which come from different backgrounds from all around and nearby villages. These underprivileged students have really worked hard and try their best as we are here at the same time, make them feel and learn, make them feel at home and learn like normal children. I would also like to inform you, madam, that
our RC evening school is so lucky. Many schools they don't have this privilege to commemorate this literacy day. Even the government of Meghalaya could not entertain each and every school to commemorate this literacy. Our school is a chosen one. So we are very thankful to the government that give us this golden opportunity to learn something, to understand something, and more about to digest the meaning of literacy. For the common people, for the rest of the people, literacy means how to write, how to read. Only that, finish for them. But for the student of RC, literacy means to dive deep in your studies, to change your mindset, and to deliver fraternity and peace to the nation. We are all Indians. We live in a country, we live in diversity. So through proper literacy, we can live in peace and in harmony. Literacy means to possess a cordial and beautiful mindset. If you are fully literate, think you are a doctor, you are an engineer, or you are a government gazette officer. But if your mindset is occupied, if your mindset is associated with pride, to look down upon others, then your literacy is meaningless.